Earthquakes are one of the most destructive and terrifying natural disasters. They can cause massive damage to infrastructure, take countless lives, and leave long lasting effects on the affected region. In this video, we will explore some of the most significant earthquakes in history. The Great Chilean Earthquake of 1960 was the massive earthquake of 9.5 magnitude. It occurred in southern Chile on May 22 in 1960 and triggered a massive tsunami that devastated the coastal town in Chile, Hawaii, and Japan and Philippines. That earthquake and tsunami took around 6,000 lives and caused billions of dollars in damage.